ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kejingsha peniap dusman juga kongwan saralin wanyang kalong kemi bedang armet halau jong tengah kelapin bitar shlai kipat ba nong sosnong kasnong Tiehsaw khamtam hadin belayo ban kem yu biang kupar nong sit utengah jong kate kalong kemi tang hadin kat to kat ni bulale ya kate ka kampen triam Hendai da kajing skong thu ba jing tip Briew kiri rang ba kasnong bagi try yeng la ban te la kamno ya kipat ba ban shim ya ka an halagi jong kiti Wala kaladon kajing syakan tho jong kasnong halor kajing ba mailat kiri rang ba ikipat ba ban penmensa yo runar baban shim ya ka an halaga kiti Hendai na kaliang ka sanat Pulit ka Wkhd Hills District lingba ka Office of Superintendent of Police kala ajing ro ya ka dorba snong Tiehsaw halor kajing syai ba jing tip juga nang ilam snong kibla IT bed ya urunar haki bor ka an Kum kadak ban ai burami ke dorba snong Tiehsaw ka Office of Superintendent ka Wkhd Hills District mentagajan miet kala ai Khusnam ringkat ka sernot ka dorba snong Tiehsaw halor ka tega jingja bat ki he Pulit kilo ongru ba ka jingle ka dorba snong Tiehsaw kan long ka nuksai ki weipat bakim dei ben shim ya ka an hakti bat ki he Pulit kala pentiknaru ba uni urunar unio ka jing pensaja ka bating Hakini ke jingal lang lai dan ringkat lang USP ke Wkhd Hills District uba BD Marak, uba Herbert Kharkongor DSP, officer in charge ke Nongpynïap Police Station uba S Kharmendai, ki officer ke Women Police, usordar snong uba M Dakhar, kiri rang ba kilong kemi bagi samla ke snong Tiehsaw.
Haba pun kini ke jingja, haba pajbat, kiri kelang ki pajbat ki peniap, ya gitu ke Nongpynïap. Kini penpau ke musim ti Briew ti belai ke juni badamba kata bobon ki lai rok kidan de ki bom sopru ki beng yo snong Tiehsaw dan ni asar jau la ta lo khang khai kidan kun kita ti ngim su ka de juk ka ain kata la ka jo ain ban sim kam ke bokum ti Briew ti nama kata ngala defend ngaliada lagi jo snong Ông ta thì cái ông perkhak du club, cái giúp đại cái giúp bên cả cắm lên suốt, cầm tạm với đến cái police, cái anh cái thằng dân, thì na cái bên cả cái đình dân, người là dân tu kali, người là penong di jingkren, nang ta pada nang người là voice for this office, người là submit cái memorandum, với cái long ba người penrem, người tu cái jingle, cái baat pada người ong cái police department. Bat Briew juga ai nu perkemsna baton kam banda toket janai bar kapor ka babian nam le bahai ke jing toket le ka ko ka babian dan don ke jing light ka liang jong ka liang yo ka ai ula ban light tu Briew ti ngiso pemen kata-kata DC SP ka dan kapor ba ESP ka sakran Layro ini yang senang, yang maklele kepada tinggi penting kena bumi Briew lunar, orang lain sudah tinggiam.
Nidam tak kejengkeman, orang yoi, bahkan ini senang kalau senang besar, senang kebatip yang kaan, kaya kepada orang kalau bang, yoi, babun, kin orang i doktor mana yang bang kibun kiba. Ketua ta kuni kuntai ngrai nakalian ke jongi pan nakalian ke ba pan om ru ke jingero ya ke snong Tiehsaw om dai tang nang nen nang style dan na ke nang nen district ndai ne ke jata kiero ki om balai ba ke ba snong ke besai ke batip ya ka an ki batip batsania ha ka an namor ba balai yu kim shim ya ka an ya ka ti le jong kan hi tu i ke jing start ke jing shampang ke jing yo i jingai Mo kata ke cing Tiehsaw jo Khusnam ha tu kasngi ni numla shu ban siu kalian da kun ru na kalian go pesu ni dam da cing sungsi ke baca ke tu kam Henry ha bang yo I ke cing Tiehsaw jo Khusnam bar ki eki cing hikai ni kerman bar ni sim ba kali ke cing hikai ke baki yo ha baki di training ha bang yuan ai awareness mangi ni ku mangi tam sida ban ai awareness technician ni yo I ba kadan ke cing snap jung ki Briew ke jing snap jung korda ke jing snap jung Khusnam ba thao ko baki ki sum thu kumnu ban tip ya ka ai ban penuh kam ya ka ai ha ko ko ba dai ke jing shania ke jung ki kalom ke ke bagi sotana pelan ha ka moto jung ki Pulit yang help us to help you ngot yarap yang ni bagi yarap itu ti kali ke tadi ka example ke best tam ke biang lagi biang tam ha ba ina kan ra ya ke kubur abang ni let awareness ni seta ngin ra ke jing la jong Khusnam Tiehsaw ban pin I ke nuksa ka bha na ki bha tam ha ni ke pathe ke bangin ke ba ulu Briew num la ban siu ya kali ban abang ni let ta shino ngin ra ya ke kubur ba ka example kalau lo model ba ka jing le jong Tiehsaw ban nubat ka an ya ti la jong ke bha na ko tam benta nak aku bola pakai bisa SPG ni dah omba shispa shiko persen yang bayar tu Briew ini le pun ka an ke chitong ka kom ko badai but kin koi ru shaka thong namar ba ni yo ai nong ibal investigating officer ibo biang ha ba di Tiehsaw Henry ha ka ju por nakwa onterpat ki sakhi ibadan kibala sakhi ke tu ke jingja bikin wan sakmat kin yang scam aba ka an aba ka por ka khot kin yang kin batai ke eng ba kitep ke be yo I kumba kila sakhi nama kani ngana scam jusho ya kadika kamban nila an pendek ke kam ploy ban kalian jong ka anu kan tenang kam ni ke bor ha ka bakan ai ka rai ka ba biang tam ke ba suntu
work the deeds which this Dorbar had shown is an exemplary work which is shown to the world in fight against crime against women. But unfortunately, yes, it is regret to say that we lose 2 precious lives. But at the same time, with your help, with the cooperation from the Dorbar, we managed to get the perpetrator, which is very much more important. And like I was discussing in the DC chamber also, yes, from our department side, we assure not 100%, 110%. We will ensure that this perpetrator get maximum of imprisonment for the wrongdoings that he has done. And this will set an example in the society that anybody who have a bad intention will not dare to do it next time. And for all your cooperation, as a small token of love, we have met a certificate of appreciation and a monetary token of love to be given to the Dorbar for the cooperation that you have given us in curtailing the crime, which is very important for us, for the police. That is how we build the relationship, police-public relationship. Yes. And I want to stress a little bit more on the drugs scenario, the dangerous point which is coming up and engulfing our youths. See, don't just pass the burden to the police. Every time my son, my children are drug addicts, they call the police thana. It should not be like that. You notice any unusual things in your children, immediately try to talk to your son, to your daughter. Normally what happens, we ignore our children because, yes, I understand we are in the busy world. Everybody is busy. We are engaged in our daily works We go out, we come home late, what our children are doing sometimes, since we are tired, we tend to sideline. But as an SP, I am requesting all the parents, please monitor and do surveillance on your children. If they are going out with whom? If they are staying outside, staying out with whom? Little bit of caring should be given to them. If you see any unusual things, talk to them, counsel to them, and I do agree with doctor that bring it to the notice of the Dorbar or the senior citizens in the village so that we can counsel them. We can show them the good path. If it is very extreme, we can give them the medical help, rehabilitation help. So these are the things which are required if anyone has gone into the addiction mode. Because this addiction leads to small crimes and leads to big crimes. So when we can stop it in the nascent stage, then we can protect that particular person from grievous addiction and committing grievous crimes.
When I said hakabide tu kejinja ya kabangin siam la penmensau ya tu nong le kami boman Nongpynïap Briew te nama Khusnam ni kim ki khenba tap ki bodu ka an kin le be e kabodun kam de halor kata terang kembangin ayarap ki polis ba kade kata kajing bom sim jomi haladi ya kabor ya kabak ke bodoh taan kene ke bodoh kam dikata kepada saya kan ai awat yang ni ada di kapor ke bodoh kam.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.